Hi, I'm Chelsea. Welcome to Windy Hill Crochet. Thank you so much for coming to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you how I found the world of plush amigurumi. I discovered the world of Mama Made Minis plush amigurumi from Elise Rose Crochet's YouTube video talking about her best guesses for what'll be popular in 2024. I kind of fell for it, right? She talked all about the brand new Mama Made Minis book here that had just launched on Amazon. And I saw it and I was like, whoa, that's cool. I didn't know you could make amigurumi and chunky chenille yarn. So I immediately followed them on Instagram and immediately bought that book on Amazon and saw that it was going to be coming in 3 days and went and bought everything that I need and placed an order online for more yarn too. Isn't she so adorable? My very first encounter with amigurumi was about 10 years ago, and I found this adorable kitty pattern that I knew my sister would love. And I was gonna make it for her for Christmas. I probably got about halfway through that cat and I was sick of single crocheting rounds with worsted weight yarn. And I said, I am never doing this again. So the minute that I saw that you could make these adorable plushies with a huge crochet hook and super thick yarn, and I was sold. I said, I am gonna make everybody one of these things for Christmas, and it's the end of November. And you know what? I did make lots and lots and lots for Christmas. I posted my very first make, a unicorn, for my daughter on my Facebook. And all of a sudden, I had messages rolling in left and right. Are you gonna sell these? Can I get one? How much are they gonna cost? I was so overwhelmed. I said, hang on, I don't know if I'm gonna be ready to sell these yet. But the entrepreneurial side of me said, let's make a few quick bucks before Christmas and we can pay off all of this yarn that you just bought. So from the end of November to Christmas, I sold 9 plushies for other people, on top of the ones that I made for my kids and my family members. The very first plush amigurumi I made was the unicorn, and I made 3 of those unicorns, and I made 3 cows, including this adorable black and white. I made the dragon, and this is my son's. It is so cute. I've made 2 dinosaurs, 1 goose. Now, I want to know from you, if you've made any of these Mama Made Mini Loveys yet and taken them to market, which one has been the most popular for you? So the very first pattern I made from this book, once I got it from Amazon, was the cow. I'm not gonna lie, the very first time I made the cow, there was a lot of learning curves for me. I wasn't used to working in the round, so I had to use stitch markers for everything to keep track of where I was in the pattern. I also, as you can see, had to mark up my book to keep track of where I was in the pattern because it was so easy to lose my spot. When you're in the middle of main color, contrast color, 5 stitches, 3 stitches, it is very easy to lose track of where you're at. One of the things I wasn't used to when I started making these plushies was working in really tight circles, which made the arms and the legs a little bit tricky because you have to hold it and you have to crochet into it and it just feels like there's so little space to work in. However, now that I've made 2 or 3, it's become a lot simpler, especially when you know how the color changes are supposed to line up. The process of making them is just like riding a bike. It's really difficult the first time, maybe 2 times, maybe 3 times, but after that, just like you take off and you keep going and you realize, oh my gosh, that was so much simpler than it was before. Have you encountered any other difficulties that I haven't mentioned in these patterns? Let me know what they are in the comments. The next plushie I'm planning to make from this book is the lamb. Previously in my markets, I sold lots and lots of hats, including adorable baby hats. And I've heard from other people who sell baby hats that the adorable little lambs and bunnies have done really well because people already are coming to them for baby gifts. I can't wait to keep making more of these plushies from this book, and I will definitely keep sharing with you what I think of them. If you want to follow me on this journey, like this video and subscribe to my channel. Let's crochet together!